Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the event of the year, the one you've all been waiting for. Forget the Oscars, forget the Grammys. This is the 2024 Vannies. I can hear the excitement. Yes, Rolling Nomads, tonight is all about celebrating the incredible achievements of our community. But hey, we're not here for any ordinary awards. Oh no, we're here to hand out the prestigious Vannies. Awards so grand, they might just change your life forever. Okay, enough of the glitz and the glamour. Let's get down to business. The first award of the evening is for the most vans sold. This award goes to the dealership that sold the most remote vans in 2024. They really hit it out of the park. Or should we say, hit it out of the campground. So let's hear it for the winner of Johnson RV. Next, we're recognizing the top marketer. This is for the person that really made us look good out there at events, on social media, and pretty much anywhere else we could be hyped up. The winner is Jawan from Johnson RV. Jawan has been the ultimate remote vans advocate. Jawan, you're amazing. Thank you. Moving on, next is the Top Salesperson Award. This goes to the person who single-handedly sold the most remote vans and made the rest of us all question our careers. So, without further ado, Mickey from Johnson RV. Mickey's out there working hard. You think he was really living in the vans with how many he sold. Lastly, in this section, we have the Quickest Sale Award. This goes to the person who started and closed a sale in a record speed in less than 24 hours. This award goes to Quentin at Vault RV. Quentin's sale was so quick, we almost didn't even know it happened. Now it's time for our Rolling Nomads Awards. These awards go to the nomads who are living their best remote lives out there, sharing their journeys and doing it in style. Let's start with the nomad who posted the most pictures of their series on social media, our Vanfluencer Award. This award goes to Michelle Woodrow. Michelle posts so many pictures with her dog, Buster. I think we're all just waiting for her to start an Instagram for her dog at this point. And the award for the Rolling Nomad who traveled to the most states in 2024. The winner of the Ultimate Gallivanter Award goes to Eric Lapp. Eric's been to more states than some of us have been to our whole lives, and that is quite impressive. No one's quite sure how he does it, but we have to applaud him for that. Moving on, we have our Rolling Nomad who offered great advice and answers within our community. Our top expert was Michael Kimball. Michael was basically Google. It was quicker to ask Michael a question than to ask Google. If only we had something like him on our phones. And the final award of the evening is the Panoramic Views Award. This award goes to the Rolling Nomad who took the best pictures of their remote van series in the wild. Ed Eubank, this one goes to you. Ed, next time you're in town, please give us some pointers. You're awesome. And that, ladies and gentlemen, concludes our 2024 Vannies. We hope you all had an amazing time. We personally had a fantastic time. A huge shout out to all of our 2024 Vannies and all who won, and for all those watching at home. Thank you and good night.